Hi, everybody. It's the DIY segment, the Do It Yourself segment. I know you're wondering where I'm at, right? Yes, I'm at the Ghana Military Academy and Training School, specifically the catering school. The festive season is over, but you still need to up your game in the kitchen because you know what? Valentine is coming. You need to impress that lovely one, that loved one, your husband, your boyfriend, your girlfriend, your wife. You need to impress them this Valentine's Day, and so we want to teach you something different, something simple, that when you enter the kitchen, you will throw it down like a pro. My name is Asieduwaa Akumia, and I want you to follow me and let's get learning in the kitchen. We're going to be speaking with Lieutenant, he's a chef, by the way, Lieutenant Maxwell Oduro, and he's going to tell us everything that we need to know, and so do follow me. Come on. Hi everybody, you're welcome back to Prime Morning, and we are still, in fact, it is still the DIY segment, and like I told you, we are currently inside the catering school of the Ghana Military Academy Training School, and like I said, it's the catering school specifically that we are at, and my guest is ready for you. He's about to teach you how to throw it down in the kitchen this Valentine's Day, Valentine's Day. And so my guest is in the person of Lieutenant Jen. In fact, you know, short form and then do the AKA as well. But I think he's the perfect person to say his AKA himself. But Lieutenant Jen or Chef Maxwell.
Chef Maxwell.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Oh, why are you calling me ma'am? I said, oh yeah, I don't know official. Just call me Asieduwaa.
Okay.
Yes. Chef, I know the titles is quite confusing. So yes, for the sake of my viewers out there who wouldn't really understand what positions you hold and really know exactly what they are, kindly introduce yourself to us.
Okay. Thank you. I am Lieutenant Jen Maxwell Oduro Anakwa, the officer commanding Ghana Armed Forces Catering Training School, aka Gafchef 1.
The Gaf?
The Gaf, like Ghana Armed Forces,
Ghana
Chef
Armed
1.
Forces Chef 1.
Gafchef 1.
Ghana Armed Forces Chef, you know, So what are we going to learn how to cook this morning?
This morning, what I will be demonstrating to my viewers is Chelsea buns and ring donuts. The reason why it is called Chelsea buns is the person who made it.
Okay.
His name is called Chelsea.
Oh.
That's the reason why.
It's why it is
Chelsea buns. Then I'll be doing that one with the ring donuts.
Okay.
Ring donuts, and that one will be going with watermelon, pineapple, and mint. So we call it melon pie.
Melon pie.
Melon pie.
Okay. Viewers, I hope that you started getting your pens, papers, notebooks ready to jot down every single thing that you need to know about what we're about learning. And so, Chef Maxwell, what do we get started on with first?
We are going to start with the Chelsea buns and ring donuts.
Okay.
That one takes a longer period.
Oh.
So if you do that one, so I will leave it to proof small.
Okay.
Before now, you can now fry the ring donuts.
Okay.
As well as leaving the dough to proof. Then now we send that one also in the oven.
Into the oven.
In the oven. Then
okay.
After which, whilst we are waiting, then now we do the juice. We are going
to
start.
Can I be your sous chef or assistant chef? Am I correct?
Madam,
okay.
you are correct. This is our hard flour.
Hard flour.
Already measured. So we pour all into this mixing bowl.
Okay. Chef, first of all,
yes,
how many heads are you making this for?
We get 8.
Okay.
So this is our hard flour. So this is our fats. In our kitchen, when we measure something like this, it's 25 grams.
Okay.
So first of all, let me just rub in
with your hands.
My hand, after which I add the yeast to it.
Okay.
Whilst we are doing this, we are trying to incorporate air into the mixture. When the more fats you add, that gives you the best sandy texture.
Okay.
Shouldn't see any lumpy at any other corner. So you make sure that the fats are
is well incorporated in the flour.
In the flour.
Okay, sure.
All type of yeast. At this time, because of the modern trend, we now use the instant.
Okay.
Immediately you add it, there you go.
Oh, Chef, I'm here to assist you. So anything you need, just show me and I'll pick it up for you.
Yes.
Yes.
That acts on the yeast to make it to proof faster for you.
Proof.
Proof means double in size. The dough becomes hard.
Oh.
So because of this, we are now going to add, we are going to add our sugar to it. After which, I'm now going to add my warm water. So this is 125.
Okay.
I did the other one, let's say, so let's make it 100.
Okay.
So we are done with the sugar. With that one, after which, we're going to make the
pineapple
tukida.
And vanilla essence. So, Chef, on a regular, what do you like to do?
On a
If
regular,
you're not baking or cooking, what do you do?
my hobby is cooking.
Okay.
So we are now going to add our egg. The reason why we are adding our egg also, it also enhances. We all know the benefit of egg. Add the protein aspects, and we already add you get carbohydrates. Everything is balanced over here.
Okay.
Balance.
Right.
After which, we are now going to add our fruits.
Okay.
Everything will be balanced.
Okay.
And at the end, you take your juice.
Your juice, and you're good to go.
You are free, ma'am.
Okay. So how many eggs are we using?
I'm going to use 3 eggs. 3 eggs.
Right.
So with that one too, you mix. At this stage now we add our milk. This is how I do my Chelsea buns. You need to add all those things that will make your dough nice for you.
Okay.
Before even adding the water.
Right.
Because the water is just nothing. So you put all those things that will enhance your product for you. So this is your milk. If you want your product to be nice, you add more of the milk and the egg.
Okay, viewers, so while Chef and I are about to knead the dough, we're going for a very quick break. When we come back, hopefully we'll be done kneading. My name is Asieduwaa Akumia, and I am still in the kitchen with Gafchef 1. And he's currently kneading the dough. Oh, okay,
now
so the bubbles
it is
have
reduced.
Okay, so the kneading was just to enable the bubbles, or almost all of the bubbles in there, to break.
So this is what we are going to use for our Chelsea bun. Then this is also what we are going to use for our ring donuts.
So viewers, this is the point where I'm going to leave Gafchef 1 to do the separations. Already cut or divided the dough for our Chelsea buns and the ring donuts. So I'm going to leave him to do the needful, and then Chef, I'll come back to join you pretty shortly. And so let me leave you peacefully do what you have to do, and then I'll come back.
Okay, thank you. Party tin with my party paper. I'm going to put these papers in the tin to set everything rolling for my Chelsea buns. I have with me over here melted fats. Then We are now done with our Chelsea buns and our ring donuts. We are now proving the ring donuts whilst the Chelsea buns is in the oven. Whilst we are waiting, we can still start with our melon pine juice. We are saying juice because we are not adding any syrup. As you can see, it's watermelon, pineapple, and mint. Whenever you add a syrup to any drink, it is called drink. But with the juice, we are only trying to take the juice out aspect of the ingredient that you are going to use. So without wasting much time, I have my pineapple. Now I'm done with the cutting of my pineapple. I'm now on my watermelon. Viewers, as you can see, I have my cut watermelon, pineapple, and the fresh mint. I'm now going to blend to get the juice out of it. As you can see, I'm straining the water from the chaff to get a fine juice for my viewers. Viewers, I believe you can do this simple drink for your children whenever they are going to their various schools, or at times too, as a mother or father, you can have it in your lunch box with the Chelsea and ring donut as your snack. This is my second straining. To get a fine melon pine juice.
But why is it red? Yeah. Okay, count me down again.
3,
Ladies and gentlemen, and it's a wrap. We are done with today's edition of the Do-It-Yourself segment on Prime Morning. My name is Asieduwaa Akumia, and we are inside the training school of the Training and Doctrine Command. And I have here with me Chef Gafchef or Gafchef 1. In fact, Gafchef 1. That's correct. And we are done with everything. So today he taught us how to prepare ring donuts. Hey, the garnishing alone, my goodness. Ring donuts and Chelsea bands and melon pine juice. Taste master, tasting mistress. Maba, it's time for me to dig in and taste how exactly our pastries today taste like. And so viewers, I hope that you've jotted everything that you need for Valentine's Day. Valentine is coming. You need to impress your loved ones in the kitchen. So which one do I go with first? Which one? Okay. In fact, let me just do the Chelsea bands, but can I have tissue, Chef, please? Thank you very much. So I have taken my cap of the Chelsea bands. Let's dig in. Hey. Ish. Ooh, it's so very hot. Hey. I'm not usually a fan of flour. I don't usually take white bread and all that, but this tastes super duper great. In fact, it is time for me to do the next tasting. And so the next one, I still have my tissue here. Let's go with the ring donuts. I am tasting everything on your behalf. Oh, it's so soft and so supple. Hey. Valentine's Day, baby. Oh my goodness. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for sticking and staying with us right here on the DIY segment of Prime Morning. My name once again is Asieduwaa Akumia. I'm going to leave Gafchef 1 to tell you anything at all that he would love to put out there. I mean, since it's, almost Valentine's Day, I think you have some special message to give to your loved one or your wife. And so, Chef, I'm going to leave you alone, and then I'm going to take my glass of melon pine juice and take my pastries away and enjoy myself. And I'm not going to forget to put some ice cubes in there because I love my juices chilled.